Okay. Order from Two Swords. Well, budk. Here is the receipt. Let me tell you now, the shipping was outrageous. So yeah, it's this. The lighter caddy, it was on clearance. I decided to get it engraved also. Few things I have. By the way, I'm gonna say it doesn't fit any of my lighters I have, but whatever. Unless I can use a cheaper one. So yeah, I opened the package with this. Got it engraved. How would I fit one of my big lighters in here? That's not gonna fit. That's literally not gonna fit. None of them fit. Let's go. Wait, yes it does. If I do that. And to get it back, you just push this right here. I like it. So yeah. Oh, you gotta push it in, like, you know what, to get it in here. So, yeah. Never do that, by the way. Let's test it on this. Wow, that's actually pretty damn short. I like. So yeah, now I have a little thing. Also, I am. That's actually really good. Also, I'm redoing my Hobo Homeless bag. So yeah. Also, if you want to order, it's on clearance. But it's BK4575. Handcrafted in China. Doesn't believe me. Anyway. So yeah. I have... Wow, that was delayed. And I also have, you know, a knife too. That I could use for whatever. It says China right there. So yeah. Okay, see this right here? You push that and you put it back in. Honestly, I like. Yeah? Let me tell you how much it costs. Let me show you this crap. Okay? Okay? Anyway, actually, I can say. Okay, so OD Green was $4.98. The engraving fee was $5.99. Insurance was 99 cents. The shipping and handling was $10.99. Came out to $24.56. Yeah. But honestly, I could use this as a EDC carry, money clip or what have you, if it actually does. Well, that is stiff, but pretty cool. So yeah, I'm actually happy with it, to be honest. I actually forgot with, like, I've actually been wanting one of these for a while. You know, that's nice. That's smooth. And it's, and Yeah, don't do that either. It is cutting super easy, just in case you're wondering. That's super easy to cut. Of course, you're not supposed to have, like, you know. I'm gonna have to get used to it with the big lighter in it. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. I have fire and cutting with me, no matter what. So yeah. Like, someone tell me how to do that, like how to do this properly. It said engraved. I wish I could have got more engraved, but it's not a big knife. And whatever, yeah. Doesn't have any oil on it, which is pretty cool. Anyway, peace, y'all.